Welcome to the Employer Education Series eSERS tutorial for unlocking your account. If you have been locked out of your account and you know the password to eSERS, you can unlock your own account without having to ask your web administrator or calling employer services. To do this, you want to click on Unlock Account. You will enter in your username, click Next, and you will choose one of the four options to have a verification code sent to you. You can have it sent to the email address on file. You can choose a number through your Google Authenticator application. You can get a push notification through the Okta Verify application, or you can have a verification code sent to your cell phone number. In this example, we're going to choose email. Click on Send Me an Email to have your verification code sent to the email address we have on file. You will receive an email from eSERS with an Unlock Account link. Click on the link. You will have to enter in your password. Click Continue. Once you've successfully entered in your password, your eSERS account will become unlocked. You will be taken to the eSERS home screen. For any questions in regards to unlocking your account, please contact Employer Services. Thank you for watching.